co-founder and CEO of UpAngle Drone Services. We're a local drone service provider here in Richland, Washington. We have a team of 4 Part 107 operators, and we fly the SenseFly eBee. In 2015, we did a deep dive into what we thought our area needed as a drone service provider, and we came across the need for a lot of agricultural imagery. We live in a very agriculture-centric area, and so we looked into the eBee quite substantially, ended up deciding to purchase one along with the Parrot Sequoia, and we started flying agriculture imagery day one. We had that in the air quite a bit the first year, and the first year we got 25,000 acres captured. Following year, picked that up to 30,000, and we're still flying an eBee now. Since then, UpAngle's used the eBee to work on, honestly, a ton of projects. We started working in the agriculture area, like I talked before. We've captured pretty much every kind of crop type that you can think of. We've also gotten into land survey work, do a lot of different heavy acreage projects where they don't want to walk those grounds. We can cover a lot more of that area. We use it for tree inventory, for parks. We use it for really just a bunch of different projects. The eBee is a great system for our clients too. It allows us to stay airborne in a really relatively safe system, and it's lightweight. It's super easy to control, which means that our clients don't have to worry as much about it potentially being a hazard. We like showing it off. It's completely autonomous, flies on its own, and that means that it kind of has a cool factor to it. The clients that get to see it get to see a really easy to fly system that captures really good data and allows us to improve our data sets and really create better relationships. So in general, we're looking forward to the next eBee, and we look forward to seeing what SenseFly has to throw at us next.